Opening. Most people think ChatGPT is just for writing emails or coding. But what if I told you it's actually the most patient, knowledgeable, and free English tutor in the world? The problem: I used to struggle with the wall. I knew grammar, but I couldn't speak fluently. I was afraid of making mistakes in front of real people. The promise. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 5-step framework I used to go from broken English to fluent conversations using nothing but ChatGPT. No expensive courses, no judgment. Step 1. Setting up your AI personal tutor. The concept: don't just treat it like a search engine, treat it like a coach. The action: you need to give ChatGPT a persona. The script/prompt: tell ChatGPT, I want you to act as my English language tutor. From now on, whenever I chat with you, please correct my grammar mistakes, suggest better vocabulary, and keep the conversation engaging. Speak to me at an intermediate level. Why it works. It shifts the AI from a general assistant to a focused teacher. Step 2. Mastering real world. The strategy: role-playing. This is where you practice for situations before they happen. Examples to cover. Job interviews. Act as a hiring manager for a tech company. Interview me for a marketing role. Travel. Act as a waiter in a fancy London restaurant. I will practice ordering food and complaining about a cold soup. Small talk. Let's practice water cooler talk at an office. Ask me about my weekend. Deep dive. Show how the AI gives you feedback after each exchange. Point out that you can ask, how could I have said that more naturally? Step 3. Vocabulary. The mistake: memorizing random word lists. The solution: learning in chunks. The method: ask ChatGPT to explain words in different contexts. Prompt: give me 5 ways to use the word break in a professional setting versus a casual setting. The explain like I'm 5-inch, yell I5 technique. If a grammar rule is confusing, like present perfect, tell ChatGPT, explain the difference between I have gone and I went like I'm a 10-year-old. Step 4. The game changer: voice mode. The feature: explain the ChatGPT mobile app's voice feature. The training: this is how you fix your pronunciation and listening. Practice routine: put your headphones on. Go for a walk. Have a 10-minute verbal conversation with the AI. Key tip: since the AI doesn't get bored, you can repeat the same sentence 10 times until your pronunciation is perfect. Try doing that with a human tutor without feeling awkward. Step 5. The correction loop strategy. The technique: at the end of every week, ask the AI for a report card. The prompt: review our conversation from today. List the top 3 recurring grammar mistakes I made and provide 3 exercises to help me fix them. Consistency: emphasize that 15 minutes a day with ChatGPT is better than 5 hours once a week. Conclusion and summary. The mindset: the best part about learning English with AI? It's a safe space. It doesn't laugh at your mistakes. It helps you fix them. Call to action: I've put all the prompts I mentioned in the description below. Go copy-paste them right now and start your first conversation. Ending: if you found this helpful, hit subscribe. Let's get fluent together. See you in the next one. Production tips for an 8 to 10-minute video. Screen recordings. When you talk about prompts, show your phone/laptop screen on the video so viewers can see the AI responding in real time. B-roll. Use footage of yourself practicing with headphones on to make it visually interesting. Chapters. Use YouTube timestamps for each of the 5 steps mentioned above.